Welcome or welcome back to our channel. I'm Artsy and this is our development series where we meet every Sunday at 11 a.m. to discuss developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica and across the world. Plus, I share bonus videos within the week. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, share and subscribe. Now let's get into it. Number 1. Jamaica was honored as the Caribbean's best culinary destination at the 2023 World Culinary Awards in Dubai. This recognition came after votes from culinary professionals and the public, with the top vote getters winning in each category. It's worth noting that the World Culinary Awards is affiliated with the World Travel Awards, marking 3 decades of recognizing excellence. In August of this year, Jamaica claimed 33 awards at the World Travel Awards, including Caribbean's leading cruise destination, the Caribbean's leading cruise port, Caribbean's leading tourist port, and the Caribbean's leading airport. Since we're on the topic of airport, Jamaica is planning to construct a major international airport in Negril, Westmoreland. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz provided this update, addressing crowding and delays at the Montego Bay Sangster International Airport due to the booming tourism industry. The Negril Airdrome will be expanded into an international airport, alleviating pressure on Sangster International Airport. However, no specific timeline was given. For the upcoming winter season, a record 5 million travelers are expected at Montego Bay, with the Ian Fleming International Airport in St. Mary set to receive commercial flights in February, likely leading to increased flight schedules. Burnham Field Airdrome in Clarendon is also being developed for cargo and logistics, aiming to become the Caribbean's largest cargo hub. Number 3. Margaritaville Caribbean Group is actively considering an IPO for its Jamaican business, more than likely on the Jamaican Stock Exchange's main market. They have engaged Mayberry Investments as their financial advisor and are currently evaluating various financing options to support their growth and figuring out the timing of the IPO. If they decide to go ahead, the funds raised through the IPO will be allocated to enhance existing facilities, invest in eco-friendly initiatives, adopt cutting-edge digital technologies, reduce debt, and explore expansion opportunities, both within and outside Jamaica, and including the Bob Marley One Love restaurant brand. Number 4. As Christmas approaches, Jamaican consumers can expect lower prices thanks to increased agricultural supply per the Rural Agricultural Development Authority. Favorable recent weather conditions noted by RADA's Dwight Forrester, acting production and marketing manager, have revitalized farming, especially in productive areas. Forrester foresees price drops for lettuce, pak choy, tomatoes and cabbages, with increased availability in key parishes by mid-November. High yam prices are expected to decrease as supply improves. Short-cycle crops, previously impacted by dry conditions, are set to return for Christmas due to RADA and the Ministry of Agriculture's collaborative efforts. This commitment to food security ensures Jamaican consumers have consistent access to safe and affordable food. Now the question is, do you believe that this is going to happen? Are food prices really going to drop come Christmas? Agricultural prices? Really? Let me know in the comments.